Hey there, lovely people. I'm Elena, and I'm so excited to finally share my passion with you. See these? I made them myself. Creating beautiful jewelry sets, necklaces, earrings, or clips, and bracelets is my absolute favorite thing to do. I don't sell them, I just make them for fun and gift them to friends. But now, I want to share the magic with you. What's in store for us? Behind the scenes peeks at how I design and craft each piece. Tutorials and tips so you can try making your own or just enjoy the process. Lots of sparkly, colorful, and unique designs, because why settle for ordinary? Now I will show you some of my works. And yes, do not judge me too harshly. This is my first video and my first experience as a model. So let's go! The delicate blue beaded set, reminiscent of flowing streams of water with a pendant that looks like a jug. This blue glass bead necklace and clip or earrings set looks very elegant with revealing clothing. And this is a set in delicate pink tones. This is a necklace which was made using beads and a bracelet. This is an elegant pink glass bead necklace, very delicate. This is a set of a necklace with a pendant and a bracelet made of pearls on a rigid frame. The bracelet looks very beautiful. It is complemented by my favorite small beads. A magical combination, isn't it? This is an elegant pearl necklace set in silver and soft bracelet with shell-shaped pendants. And these jewelry are made of decorative cord decorated with glass rhinestones. The twisted cord creates interesting patterns for clips and necklace. These are earrings and a bracelet made of very small beads. Here's the best part. In the next video, we will make an adorable pendant and bracelet set, and one of you will get it. We will raffle it off among our subscribers. To enter, subscribe. If you haven't yet, you won't want to miss this. Like this video. It helps more people find us. Comment below. What's your favorite type of jewelry? Dainty and delicate, bold and bright? Tell me. This could be yours. So hit that subscribe button. Bring your creative friends along and let's make something beautiful together. Can't wait to see you in the next video. See you soon.